Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a command block in Minecraft. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump straight in. Okay, so go over to your Minecraft. Now be sure you're on creative mode. If you don't, make sure your cheats is on and change your game mode to creative if you're on survival mode. Okay, now just copy the message that I'm gonna type here. Okay, so press the slash button to start typing, and then after the slash, type give, then space, your name, and then space again, type Minecraft colon command underscore block, and then space again, and then here you want to put the amount of block that you want to receive. So let's do 10 for example, and then press enter, and there you have it. As you can see, we now have the command block. And there you have it. You've successfully give your character a command block. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.